how to make an online course website using WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can make your own course website on WordPress. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm on Bluehost right now. You are going to need some sort of hosting plan, either Bluehost or Hostinger, whichever one you prefer. It totally depends on you, but the main goal is you get a hosting where you can go ahead and create a website. So here I have it, and we're going to come over here and click on websites, and we're going to launch a website. We're going to click on add a website. I already have one, but we're going to click on add new website since we are creating a course website. So we're going to click on WordPress. So it's going to go ahead and install the WordPress website. So be patient. All right, so here we go. So website is now installed. Now we would like to go ahead and continue with these two options. Since it doesn't actually give us the option to go ahead and skip this, you can also come back over here and you can see we have the site created right here. I believe this is the site, or is this one? I think this is it. We can open it up like so. There you go. So now if you don't want to continue with the AI, you can just simply click over here on this one, like this website, and then you can edit it out. But to save us some time, I'm just simply going to go ahead and install with this one. And here we'll go ahead and give the site title and select the type we want. So since it's a course, we could go with business or service. We can also go with online store as well, but we'll go with services. And here we'll add the name of our store, and let's get started. So something like this, and then we'll hit the next button. Then here we can upload the logo of our file. I don't really have a logo, but we can create our logo over here on Canva. This one, I like it. So it's simple. We can customize this one, and we'll just simply upload it over here. I'll change the name from Hanover or Hanover, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how to pronounce it, to Course Masters. Increase the size so that it's nice and centered. And then we'll move it like over here. There we go. So we can go ahead and download it, then upload the logo. Let's go ahead and upload it. And once it's uploaded, we'll click on next. So now it's going to build our site. So we just wait for a couple of minutes and we should be good to go. All right, so it's done. Now we have 3 options to pick from. We can go with the first one, the second one, or the third one. Pretty simple. I think we're going to go with the first one, although there's not a whole lot of stuff over here. Second one is pretty cool. We have a bunch of stuff going on. And then we have the third one, which is a combination of both. So actually, we'll go with the third one. It's not it does have that opening hour section, but I don't know. But yeah, we'll go with the first one. We can edit those things out, nothing too crazy. So here we go. You can see right here, everything looks good. And here we can customize with AI. So if you click on customize with AI, it's going to publish the content, and it's going to directly take us to the editing page where we can go ahead and get started. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Nothing too crazy. Everything is available over here. We have our home section over here and our entire background over here. This location and this section is also available. If you want to keep this, you can keep it over here. But you can move it down. I feel like we should move this down over here. So I'll move it down like this. I think this looks good over here. And I don't think we need this section, so we'll delete that. We'll just simply select it and hit the delete button. And yeah, I think we'll also delete this since we don't need that. Hit the delete button, or we can just simply click on the 3 buttons and delete it from here. All right, so here you can see some of the titles don't make any sense, you know, because since this is a course website, or since this is AI, we can go ahead and tell it to change the text towards, you know, courses and stuff like that. But it's fine. You can come over here and change everything up yourself. You can go ahead and just select the text and add what it is that you want to, you know, add, and, you know, basically change stuff over here. But we'll skip this since if we go ahead and deep dive into it, the video will be quite long. So we'll skip most of the stuff. I just want to give you guys an overview of how you can do it. But once it's done, just simply hit the save button. And once it's saved, we can just hit the WordPress logo over here at the top left corner. And then we can click on the back button over here and go directly into the dashboard. And here we go. Next, in order for you to create a system where you can store all of your courses, you're going to need a plugin. We're going to click on install plugins and click on add new plugin. And here you want to search for a plugin called course. So you can just simply type in course, it'll pop up. So here we have a bunch of different options. This is one of the cool ones, Masterio. So you can go ahead and install this one. This is of course an online course builder and has an LMS system as well. Tutor also works pretty cool. used it as well. So you can go and select whichever one you want, but you want to click on install. And once it's installed, just simply activate it. And once it's activated, you can go ahead and input all of your courses within it. So click on activate, and here you go. So here are the things you'll need. All right, payments, certificates, multiple courses. You can select all of these stuff over here and what you want to create. So I'm creating a site as a solo creator, and then select the options you want. I'm going to select this one because I don't want that, and then hit the next button. You can skip this as well. Currency, online, offline payments, you do Stripe as well. You're going to need to connect your PayPal if you have it, and Stripe as well if you want that, but we can click on next for it. And then here we have the two options. We have like the whole entire theme, so you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. These are like the Gutenberg. This is like the older version of WordPress editor, so you can select that. And if you want, you can go with the Elementor option as well. So it totally depends on you. If you search with Elementor, which is actually pretty cool, you can go ahead and, you know, select that one and edit the websites through that. But if you want Gutenberg, you can go ahead and select that. I really like this one. Looks pretty cool. It's like a marketplace. Or if you want, you can go with the designer one. It totally depends on you. But we'll go with marketplace, and then you can select the color palette. And I think the purple one looks fine. You can change the typography as well. So this one is Montserrat/Poppins. I like that one. We'll click on continue, and then you can go ahead and select the layout. You can go with a single carousel layout or a modern one. You can see how it would look like on courses when people come over here and buy your courses. Simple one looks good, and this is the layout as well of the other type. I'll keep that simple as well. You can go with an overlay, but simple looks best. So we're going to click on start import and click on start import, and then it's going to import all of these settings into your website. All right, so it's done. Our website is now created. We can go ahead and visit the website over here, or create a new one over here, or go to dashboard. It totally depends on you. Can I go ahead and visit it on another tab? No. So this is how it looks like. It looks pretty simple, looks pretty cool. Everything is available over here, and we can see everything, learn, get certified, everything. Actually, it looks pretty cool. We do need to change these up as well, but if you want, you can keep it as it is, but it looks good. And yeah, let's go back to the dashboard, and here we go. So on the left hand side in Masterio, we can click on the dashboard, and we can also add courses over here, orders, users as well. So everything is available over here. So we've got 6 courses in total. We can click over here on new, and everything is available over here. But yeah, we're going to click on courses, and here we have all of our courses. Here we can add courses as well. So you can see right here, we can add new course to add a new course. And then here we have all of the other ones. If you want to go ahead and, you know, see how it looks like, we can open it up over here, and this is how it would look like. So you have name over here, description over here, and highlights over here. And then here you can upload, and then here you can upload all of your attachments like videos, images, whatever. But for that, you do need to upgrade it. So keep that in mind. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And here you will have all of your users as well. So here you can add new students that you want, and you should be good to go. And then here you can offer certificates as well. So it's as simple as that. So your website is now ready. You can go ahead and click on visit websites to check it out. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can create a course website on WordPress. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.